Thanks for joining me for part 2 of the C7 Corvette front apron install. And here is our car put together, fenders installed, gaps are all set, the door's been detrimmed, went ahead and put all the lines back together. This car is really well thought out. I'm not a Corvette guy, but this is a really well thought out and designed car. Everything went back in so easily. 7 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 20 millimeter Torx. Just simple. Go ahead and put the hood down, show you how it looks. There's our gap down. Both sides. So I've got the mirror off and the belt molding and the rest of the stuff for the door to go ahead and send it to the paint shop. So I'll show you some pictures of it after it's painted. And that's how you put a front right apron in a C7 Corvette.